Welcome, today in front of me Huawei MatePad 10.4 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So just we should get the Ampere application, so that's why I activate the app gallery and then click here to the search pool and enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why click here to download application. Click tap again to download. Now just tap to allow and click to install. After that, just wait a couple of seconds. Here we can see that the Ampere installed successfully. And let's just go to the home screen, and here we can see the new installed Ampere application. So just we should tap to activate to open the app. Tap here to OK, click yes, agree, be close. On the left down corner, tap to OK. And now we can see here the temperature of our device battery. In my case, that's 32 degrees. And also we can find here more information about our device health, capacity, voltage, the Android version, device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.